Welcome to POE 10,000 class clean room. This facility is equipped with 36 fully automated purification systems, maintaining no more than 10 particles per cubic meter. I'm Michael, and now please follow me to witness how PCBs transfer into high-performance electronic modules. The current workshop environment parameters are temperature 23 degrees plus or minus 1 degree, relative humidity 45% plus or minus 5%, and air cleanliness reach 8 particles per 0.5 micrometers standard. The automated loader positions each board with plus or minus 0.1 millimeter accuracy, ensuring seamless transfer to next station. Equipped with laser-etched stencils, this machine deposits 0.1 millimeter thickness solder paste with plus or minus 0.01 millimeters tolerance. Its adjustable speed 200 millimeters per second, balance precision and efficiency, creating the perfect foundation for soldering. The 3D solder paste inspection system uses laser scanning and AI algorithm to detect defects like the bridge and missing print with 100% coverage. Green masks indicate boards passing the less than 5% volume tolerance check, ready for the next critical step. Feature a 120,000 pixel vision system. This machine places 45,000 components per hour at plus or minus 0.025 millimeter accuracy. Notice 0402 resistors being mounted tiny but vital for circuit functionality. With 10 June nitrogen protection, the reflow often melts solder paste at to 240 degree peak temperature, achieving optimal metallurgical bond with 60 to 90 seconds. The blue curve monitors real-time CMOS profiles. AOI technology combines high-resolution image with deep learning algorithm for plus or minus 0.01 millimeters defect detections. Its template matching system instantly identifies solder bridges, component misalignment, insufficient solder,